Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Mitsubishi Lancer headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the hood is open. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, you'll need to remove the plastic clips and any visible screws from the top section of the bumper cover. Then, locate and remove the 10mm bolts that secure the upper part of the bumper. Continuing on, you'll find more 10mm bolts securing the bumper along its sides and underneath. Make sure to remove all of these. If your Lancer has fog lights, gently disconnect their electrical harnesses before proceeding. With all fasteners removed, carefully pull the front bumper outward from the vehicle. It should detach with a firm, steady pull, revealing the headlight assemblies. Now that the bumper is off, you'll clearly see the headlight assembly. There are typically 3 10mm bolts holding each headlight in place. Remove these. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical harnesses from the back of the headlight unit. These usually have clips that need to be pressed or squeezed. Once everything is unfastened, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its mounting points. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical harnesses to your new or reinstalled headlight, ensuring they click securely into place. Then, position the headlight assembly and fasten it with its 10mm mounting bolts. Reattach the front bumper, making sure all clips and bolts are properly secured. Don't forget to reconnect your battery's negative terminal. For other great deals, like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.